Look at this. It's practically no one on the beach on this 2nd of October, Monday, 1 p.m. Look at that. This is Playa del Socarrat, and it's a beautiful beach here in the Valencia region. Actually, it is 25 kilometers away from central Valencia, and it has beautiful white sand and the most beautiful Mediterranean Sea. So yes, this is the second beach for today that I visit, but I'm going to be visiting a lot more along the coast. And this one here is located very close to El Perello city, where you can take the public transport from central Valencia to here. And this is my third day of my weekend exploration of Valencia, and last day. I have actually an early morning flight tomorrow, super early. But today I'm gonna be exploring a lot of beaches and gonna show you the beauty, because these beaches over here are a lot better than the ones in central Valencia, like the one at Malvarosa or Playa de las Arenas. So this is absolutely amazing, and there is nobody here. Maybe because it is a Monday and off season, but it looks amazing. Look at that. Brilliant. Brilliant. So Valencia actually delivers super nice beaches for being the third largest city in Spain. That reminds me of that one time when I was in Barcelona, which is the second biggest city in Spain, and I took a swim in their most popular central beach, La Barceloneta, and that was for Christmas Eve, 24th of December. And that was actually 2015, way before I started with my beach adventures. But that would have been a really nice adventure for my channel. So I need to go there and redo that setting during Christmas, maybe. Why not? But yes, Spain has the beautiful Mediterranean climate, and it is super nice temperatures. Yesterday it was 34 degrees Celsius during the day. Right now over here is 26, so that's good. That's good. Cool. Then let's not wait any longer and dive into the sea. Amazing. Beautiful. This is so beautiful. Just look at the beach. And the sea as well. Alright, that's a wrap for beach number 2 for this 2nd of October. I can't believe that it should be autumn, but it's still summer. Oh wait, till I go back to Sweden tomorrow and experience the winter already. Well, not winter, but it's gonna be 13 degrees. So wish me luck with my Sweden beach adventures. For here, I don't need any because the water is amazing. And yep, that's a wrap from this beach. And thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!